Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to convert sentences into passive voice in case of past tense. So let's start with simple past tense. In simple past tense, we follow the following rule while converting the sentence into passive voice. First of all, we write subject. Here, subject means the object of active voice as the subject of passive voice. After that, we write the auxiliary verbs was or were according to the subject. Then, we write the past participle form of the main verb, followed by the preposition by. After that, we write the object. Here, object means the subject of active voice as the object of passive voice. For example, the gardener caught the thief. Here in this sentence, the object of active voice is the thief, which will become the subject of passive voice. As the gardener is a singular number, therefore auxiliary verb was will come. The past participle form of caught is caught and then preposition by, which is followed by the object the gardener. So now the full sentence in passive voice is the thief was caught by the gardener. So here the active voice sentence was the gardener caught the thief, and in passive voice the sentence is the thief was caught by the gardener. Next is past continuous tense. In past continuous tense, we use the following formula for changing the sentence from active to passive voice. First of all, we write subject. After that, was, were. The auxiliary verb was or were according to the given subject. Then we write being. Then we write the past participle form of main verb. After that, preposition by. After that, we write the object. Here, object means the subject of active voice as the object of passive voice. Now, let's take the example. Peter was driving the car. Here, the object of active voice is the car, which would changed as the subject of passive voice. The subject is singular, therefore auxiliary verb was will come, followed by being. After that, we write the past participle form of main verb, that is driven. Then preposition by will come. After that, the subject of the active voice Peter will come as the object of passive voice. So now the full sentence is the car was being driven by Peter. Next is past perfect tense. The formula of past perfect tense is subject, auxiliary verb had, followed by been, then past participle form of the verb, preposition by, and then the object of the sentence. For example, Sita had written a novel when she was young. Here, object of active voice is a novel, will be taken as subject of passive voice. Auxiliary verb had will come After that, we write been. Then the past participle form written, which is already given in past perfect tense, will come, followed by preposition by. After that, subject of active voice Sita will be taken as the object of passive voice. Now the full sentence is, a novel had been written by Sita when she was young. Next is past perfect continuous tense. So remember children, we don't have any passive voice of past perfect continuous tense. So this is enough for today. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.